what is not included within receiving your microstrand technology hair process? And that is any extensions, meaning making it bigger, adding a new section to it, adding a new material to it, all right? Those are separate from any 30-day fitting and alteration period. Usually you don't need those things, but just so you know, you cannot ask us to order another section or to replace a section or anything like that. But still, we're here to work with you. So if you have any issues, please bring that up to us. Now, if you're coming into our hair studios, what isn't included, is not included, is any chemical processes on your hair. So if you're getting a perm, a relax, or a color, that's not included. That's just a separate price. Although what is included if you're coming into our hair studio is we apply it once, and you have a choice of one of 3 attachments if you're coming into our hair studio. And we would do the application once, okay? So that's included. Cutting your hair, cutting the attached hair, and finishing it, styling it. That's all included. So the only thing that's not included when you're coming in is any chemical processes.